Hey guys, welcome to another video. On today's video I'll be cleaning and replacing the coolant fluid. I will also replace the thermostat on this Nissan Micra K11. If you like this kind of content, take a look at my other videos. We have been working on this Nissan Micra for a while. That was going to the scrapyard and we are saving him basically. So after we can sell it. And if you are not a subscriber, please just subscribe and don't forget, click the thumbs up button, that will help me a lot. Let's go start cleaning our cooling system. So now the first thing you need to do is to remove the whole fluid that you have in the system. So to remove your whole fluid, we need to remove the lower hose from the radiator. You have right here the upper hose, which going to thermostat, which is in here. This is the thermostat body. Then this hose right here goes straight down, goes straight right here. This one right here. So you have to remove this hose right here. Today is another day. Yesterday I was not able to finish this because it was a very windy day. I took that chance to give a clean to the hoses that I removed. I cleaned also the thermostat body and painted, and I also cleaned the overflow tank. So we have hoses clean, thermostat body clean and paint, and overflow tank clean. So let's assemble this back. What I'm gonna do is to assembly without the new thermostat. I will start the system with the water first to give another clean in the system, and then yes, I will install thermostat and the new coolant. So let's go. So now everything is back in place. Now I will just add the water and install the battery and let the system running. It's really important to set up your air inside for hot air, so the water can run inside your cart also. once you let it run a little bit, it's time to remove the diwater. I will just remove the bottom hose and the thermostat body so I can install the new thermostat and empty this water and install in coolant. So let's go. Okay, we already removed our body and I will install the new thermostat. You have this pin right here. Make sure that is always like this to the top. So to install, you install like this, not like this. Okay, the coolant is installed. I put in the system and in the overflow tank. So now we start the engine and let it run until it gets hot. It's a good time to check the leaks. Make sure you don't have any leaks, otherwise you're gonna have problems. Okay, so let's start the engine. So if you think these videos are helpful, check out my other videos, because I have a lot of videos working on this car. Very soon I will show you how much I spent until now. Actually today I'm gonna send them to paint the roof, because I'm not able to paint. It really needs to be painted. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, also subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and see you soon. Stay tuned. Fui!